So number 5 says this: what is the sum of the infinite geometric series? So we want to remember that S of infinity is going to be t of 1 over 1 minus r, right? The simplest formula that we have here so far. And t1 is pretty easy to see, it's 5. And r is the ratio by which each term is multiplied. So it's the 2/3 that shows up here. So r is 2/3. So the sum of an infinite number of these things, it is convergent. And so we have 5 divided by 1 minus 2/3. That's 5 divided by 1/3, which equals 5 times 3 over 1, or 15. Okay? Any other questions from 1.5 homework assignment there? Okay, so here's 1.5, number 9. I had a question about that. This is an infinite series. It's given by this right here. So we have x's in there, no problem. This is first term, second term, third term. It has a sum of 4. What is the value of x? Well, again, we know that the formula looks like this. And I know what t of 1 is. T of 1 is 1. And how do I find the r? Well, remember, the r is any term divided by the one just before it. So if I pick 3x as one term, I want to divide it by the term just before it. So my r is 3x. Everyone see that? Okay. So now I have r is 3x, and I also have the sum. That's given. It's 4. So with all of that, t of 1, r, and the sum, I can plug things into this formula, and what am I finding? I'll have an x in there that I can solve for. So it looks like this. It looks like 4 equals 1 over 1 minus 3x. So with that equation, I have one unknown. You can manipulate the equation to solve for x. So I want to get rid of this in the denominator, so I multiply both sides, or just cross multiply, right? So I have 4 minus 12x over here equals 1. See, so I got that binomial up to the other side, multiply both sides by that binomial. And then x is in the numerator, that's good. I want to get x all by itself, so let's subtract 4 from both sides. I have negative 12x equals what? Negative 3. And then I want to divide by negative 12. So x equals 1 over 4. So I think that should be your x. Oh, and then the second part lists the first 4 terms of the series. Okay, so that's easy then. You just put 1 over 4 in for x, right? So we've got, let's see, different color. So we've got 1, and we've got 3 times 1/4. And then we've got 9 times 1/4 squared, and so on. 4 terms to the series, and then 27 1/4 cubed. So expand that out, and that's the second part of the answer there. Okay? Okay. Any other questions there? That's good. Any other questions from 1.5, or does that help you?